The underwater robots of the future may not look like robots at all. The bio-inspired Covert Electrostatic Propulsor, or BICEP, swimming near the University of Washington campus in Seattle. BICEP uses artificial muscles to oscillate a fish-like tail silently through the water. This university-government industry research collaboration is taking soft robotics out of the lab and into the real world. The BICEP flexing tail replaces the electric motors AUVs typically use for propulsion. This vision for future AUVs is nearly neutrally buoyant, can operate at any ocean depth, and is virtually undetectable by underwater sensing systems.